there's something, even the way that you do it is so gentle.
Yes.
And it's a reflection of loving yourself.
Yes.
So when you teach yourself to be kind to yourself, it sends that unconscious message that others should be kind to you.
Right.
If you're gentle with yourself, then you should expect that from others. And, a lot of these get ready with me's on TikToks are really popular amongst younger kids. So I'm seeing this boom in younger children, like 10, 11, doing skincare routines.
Aww.
And people will poo-poo it, but I think it's great because you're teaching younger people to love yourself, to cherish your body, because you're going to have your body for the rest of your life.
And to have routines. When you have a routine and it's built in, the habits that you build in at a young age. I grew up having a relatively healthy diet from a young age, eating a relatively early dinner. And now I don't even eat dinner, and I don't miss it because I ate so early growing up because my dad was an anesthesiologist. And back then he had to pre-round for patients for the next day. So we always ate dinner at 4:30. And my body, even 40, 50 years later, is used to early meals and not eating later. So those habits that we build in, with my grandbaby, we read books all the time. He loves books because for him, that's love. So those habits are really important in skincare and being loving and gentle in how you apply it. I remember growing up with my teenage friends. One of our friends' moms was French, and she taught us. We would all go to her house and we would play, and she'd feed us delicious food, and we had just such good memories and just hanging out together. But her mom used to have us look in the mirror and look at each other, at ourselves, and go, "I love me. I'm so beautiful." And it's such a silly thing, but actually it's a really nice thing to do, is to be loving of yourself.
It is. My mother is a mother of 4, and she came to this country from Trinidad. And so I would watch her get ready, and she'd be rushing and comb your hair fast. And I just made it, because I'm in psychiatry, I learned all these things about scarcity trauma and immigrant mental health. And I make it a point that when I get my daughter ready, I tell her, be gentle with your hair. Yeah. Even if we're in a rush, comb it softly. Brush your teeth softly, because she and I have this mantra. I said, how many bodies did God give you? She goes, 1. And what do you have to do with it? Take care of it. And it's really teaching her self-care, because we're going to be in our bodies for the rest of our lives. We have to take care of it and acknowledge it and listen to it.
Right.